friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. I hope that you've been enjoying the videos on my decluttering challenge. If you haven't started the challenge yet, it's not too late. Each week is cut into bite-sized tasks that can be done in about an hour or so, depending on the clutter in that room. In today's video, I'm going to explain zone cleaning and how I tweaked it to work for me. I've been using this system for over a decade, and I will share with you how I've adjusted to work for my lifestyle. My routines now look much different than what they looked like when I was a single mom working in a salon, or even when I was a stay-at-home mom with 4 kids. That's the beauty of this system. It's adaptable. But before I go into how I adapted it for my lifestyle, I'm going to give you a quick history of where I learned it from. It was created by Marla Sealy's. She wrote the book Sink Reflections. She divides the home into 5 zones. On week 1, you start in zone 1, and working in each zone for 15 minutes a day, you continue on for the whole month. In the way that it's set up, you don't usually have a full week in zones 1 and 5 because of how they fall on the calendar. While you're in these zones, you have a list of tasks that you accomplish to deep clean that zone. She has an extensive list on her website. If you're interested in seeing that, it's at flylady.net. When I first started, I laminated index cards with a list of tasks for each zone. I would then check off the task with a dry erase marker. What I didn't get done in the month, I would start with that next month. I have further simplified this by making a weekly schedule all on one page. It includes checklists of my zone cleaning, my weekly home blessing, and my morning and evening routine. I also added blank spots to fill in the daily task for the week and a menu plan. I'll be happy to send you a copy of this if you email me. My email is down in the description box. I have divided my home into 7 zones, and I work in each zone 1 full week. I have accumulated a list of tasks that I do in every zone, and in a couple of zones I have specific tasks that go just for that zone. And instead of only working 15 minutes a day, I typically do all the cleaning in 1 to 2 days. It usually doesn't take me longer than about an hour in each zone, with the exception of the kitchen. And I'll show you how I divide that up in a minute. As a working mom, I checked off the tasks as I did them through the week. If I didn't get something done, that's okay. I'm going to get back to that area again in 7 weeks. I had a middle schooler and a high schooler that also pitched in and helped check things off the list. How do I determine my zones? I divide my zones into what makes sense for my life. In this home, I have a larger kitchen, so I need 2 weeks to accomplish the kitchen tasks. I also have a courtyard and a large patio that we use as an extension of our home. So I like to set aside a week to care for these rooms. Here's what my current zones look like. Zone 1 is the kitchen. Zone 2 is the kitchen where I do all the appliances. Zone 3 is the living room, dining room. Zone 4, the master bedroom. Zone 5, the bathrooms. That's your master bath, your hall bath, your kids' bath, all the bathrooms in the house. Zone 6 is my entry, my hallways, and 1 extra room. Now that 1 extra room will rotate. It might be your office, it might be a guest room, it might be the garage, it might be the laundry room, just depending on your house. And then zone 7 is my courtyard and patio. But let me give you a huge piece of advice. Before you start zone cleaning, it's important to start a solid morning and evening routine. These 2 routines are a pivotal part in being successful in zone cleaning. And they will keep your house tidy so that you feel free to start a zone cleaning routine. I have made a video of my morning and evening routine. I'll link it at the end of this video. I strongly suggest that you start there so that you start off on the right foot. And I'd also plan on doing this morning and evening routine every day for a week or 2 so that you establish a habit before you start zone cleaning. I hope that this video has helped you to understand zone cleaning and how you can tweak it to fit your lifestyle. Let me know down in the comments if you're currently doing zone cleaning or are you planning on starting a zone cleaning routine. Would you please like this video if you found it to be helpful? It helps YouTube know that you're interested in my content. So please give me a big thumbs up, click on subscribe, And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. Next week, my video will be about my weekly home blessing. It's the second most important step in the success of zone cleaning. Again, thank you for visiting me today, and I'll see you next week. Stay blessed, my friends.